Meaning of disco.
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 Disco. Disco is a genre of dance-oriented music that originated in the 1970s. It typically features a strong, pulsing beat, synthesized instrumentation, and catchy melodies. The disco movement was a cultural phenomenon that spread across the globe and had a significant impact on fashion, dance, and popular culture. While disco music enjoyed enormous popularity in the late 1970s, it eventually fell out of favor, with many people associating it with excess and superficiality. Despite this, disco remains an important and influential genre of music that continues to inspire artists today.